My name is Professor Barry Riley. I'm Director of the ASSERT Centre here at UCC. I'm also a consultant obstetrician gynaecologist at Cork University Maternity Hospital. We've had a great 2 days here. This is the Saturday morning now. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Premier Surgical, in particular for helping us run a course like this. The Anatomy of Complications is a fantastic workshop. It's something that we have developed here in partnership with CTEC in Perth, which has been running the Anatomy of Complications for probably 20 years now. The delegates get huge value out of this, and I think you'll hear that from the various interviews that are going to happen. What we do is a full day of anatomy. We have a fantastic faculty of vascular surgeons, urologists, colorectal surgeons, gynae-oncologists. We had an interventional radiologist today going through cases, and today has been about case discussion. It's a little bit like a confessional box. It's more or less, look at me, I've had complications too, and you talk about your complications. It's very open-minded, everyone gives their support, and it's a great way of discussing things with colleagues. I'd encourage people to come on this and log on to our website for next year. Hopefully we'll get a full delegate number again. Thank you very much to all our supporters.
Hi, I'm Conor Hardy. I'm a consultant gynaecologist in Rotunda and Beaumont Hospitals. I was delighted to be offered a place on this complications course. It was a very informative and very useful couple of days. We got a chance to learn more in depth, detail and knowledge of the relevant anatomy, and get to practice how to deal with complications which we won't see too often, and be able to refresh our skills so when we do encounter these unfortunate events, we're more competent and confident with how to deal with them and repair any injuries that would occur. So I would certainly recommend anybody who has the opportunity to come here to attend this course.
Hi, I'm Aoife O'Neill. I'm consultant obstetrician and gynaecologist in Dublin. I've been very privileged to be part of the whole Anatomy of Complications workshop today and yesterday. I'd like to, as a member of the faculty, encourage people to come and see the amazing facilities that ASSERT have, and the privilege of being able to work with multidisciplinary team members like our consultant surgical colleagues and our vascular surgical colleagues and our urological surgical colleagues. It's a fantastic opportunity to grow and learn from how we can manage complications better. Please come and do this course. It was amazing. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Alison DeMayo. I'm a gynae trainee. I've been doing a minimally invasive gynae fellowship in Cork at the moment. I've really enjoyed the Anatomy of Complications workshop. I found it really invaluable for getting familiar with the anatomy in the pelvis and the abdomen, and I feel a lot more confident in being able to manage complications that may arise in my practice, and so I'd absolutely recommend it for anyone who's thinking about attending.
My name is Richard Ryan Singh. I work in the Rotunda Hospital in Dublin, and I got the opportunity to come to the ASSERT course in Cork University Hospital, and I must say that after experiencing this course that I would highly recommend it for anybody in training in obstetrics and gynecology, and also for consulting colleagues. The information that we gained from the multidisciplinary approach and the real life situation, getting exposure to cadaveric dissection was priceless, and will certainly go a long way to developing surgical skills and also sharing multidisciplinary complications, all in the process of learning and gaining more and more experience, ultimately for the benefit of patients.